this lecture, you will get an exclusive look at how non-conventional blood biomarkers can be used to evaluate and track the effectiveness of interventions in patients with Parkinson's disease. We will delve into the significance of cystatin, CNFL, and S100B serum biomarkers as innovative tools for monitoring the progress of Parkinson's patients undergoing treatment. These biomarkers offer a fresh perspective on assessing the impact of interventions on patients with Parkinson's disease.